number one marketing tool you will ever need. Now, I'm not talking about using an analytical tool or using a certain software to do XYZ. I'm here to give you the actual sauce, and the only tool you need is the tool of storytelling. Have you ever wondered why certain companies connect with you more deeply than others? That's because they have a captivating story to share. Let's look at some examples. Nike's Just Do It marketing campaign is a prime example of brand storytelling. The campaign was not just about selling shoes. It was also about inspiring people to strive for excellence. Apple's Think Different campaign was all about celebrating creativity and innovation. Apple was able to differentiate itself from its competitors and build a cult following by positioning itself as a brand that values creativity and individuality. Being able to build a successful brand with storytelling is hard. I've made it easy for you with my branding masterclass.